Hi folks, this is Ahmed Katnani from Hydroarmor. I'm recording this from my office. Waterproofing is a difficult job and not everyone can attempt to do it. There are a lot of videos that describe the method how to do it. However, if you have a recipe that does not make you a chef. To get the proper identification of the leak and the proper remedy for it, you need an expert. And that's when you come to Hydroarmor. In the following video, our expert Tony Lambert explains how a waterproofing job gone bad, where the customer could have saved a lot of money if he came to Hydroarmor to start with. Here's the video.
All right, today we're in Garfield, New Jersey. Every day I'm making videos. Our customer hired someone to excavate the outside of this house and seal the wall, which did stop the water from coming through the wall, but he still got water because now it all forced underneath the house and came in. So then he hired a company, and their name starts with a B and ends with Onded, to come in and put a French drain. And what they did here, this is a monopore. The floor was poured first, and then the wall was built on top. And they came in and broke out the trench, and they took out all of the floor that was underneath this wall, and now it's hanging in the air. There's some temporary supports that are put in to hold this wall, but they walked off the job and left this guy hanging. So they came in and destroyed his house and left and gave him back his $800. So now we got to come in and we got to underpin this entire foundation, and we also got to put in steel I-beams because the wall shifted and moved. And now a job that should have cost about $4,000 or $5,000 cost them $11 to excavate, cost them $800 as a deposit, cost them about another $800 to put all these temporary supports in, and now it's a $14,000-$15,000 repair to get this thing stable. So this is what happens when you hire the wrong guys to do a job. He's going to spend over $22,000 to fix a simple leak. All right, well, we'll keep you posted on this one.